Igama lami uMuzi Foto uphuma enhlangweni egugweni. So bengenze initiative lana ekuthiwa i-disabled not disabled yabona. So disabled means differently abled. That's why ngithi abantu aba-disabled bangathi ba-disabled, because now disabled means you're disabled from something, so you can't do ezinye izinto. So manje mina ngizama legama leli la disabled libe yilona as a replace disabled. So then I decided to do this awareness ukuba ngisuke eHadingi ngizofika eThekwini nge-wheelchair. This initiative was for raising funds for wheelchairs for abantu abanga can't afford them, but not just any wheelchair, but active wheelchairs. Khona bezakwazi ukuba bahambe nabaye emamoli baye emadrobheni, because lethu abazitholayo manje esibhedlela they can't do that because onotaxi abazifuni zinkulu and ziyesinda. So manje I was like no, itulo as active ziyabiza. The standard one is 10,000. Umuntu ophila nge-grant disability is not going to afford that. So manje I was like no, let me talk to people bese ngikwazi ukuthola ama-active chairs for bona. So ke ngisukile eHadingi on Monday ngomhla ka-1 December ngafika ngalala ePaddock. Mangisuka ePaddock day 2 ngalala eShepstone, day 3 ngasuka ePaddock ngaya eShepstone ngaya eScottsboro. From Scottsboro day 4 on Thursday ngafika eThekwini. So this was just an awareness thing for abantu disabled and to inspire them, but no, they can do anything, so everything is possible. I'm here. It was difficult, it was especially day 3. I was on the road for 16 hours and I felt like giving up, but I was like no, so yeah, that's what this initiative was for.
Lumfana lona angazi into angenze yona namhlanje ungethusile, kodwa ke ngiyazi ba indlela engamkhulisa ngayo yayikhuni kakhulu emva kuba enzeke ingozi. Ngamtshela ukuthi akusiwona ukuphela kobomi kuyena, uqala ubomi obusha. Yonke into ebeyicabanga emqondweni wakhe ayenze, somnikeza support thina. Ukushintsha kwe-movement yakhe, does it mean it's the end of his life? Kodwa wangilalela-ke ingane yami yakwenza lokho ekwenzile namhlanje ingethusise kakhulu. Yathi mayisho ngabuza ukuthi kanjani mfowethu, ngoba sibizana mfowethu, uzokwenza kanjani? Wathi hayi baba ngizoyenza lento. Ngathi hamba kuyoyenza mfana wami, uyoyenza ngoba injongo yakho ukusiza abanye abantu, ukuthi uma bekhona abafana nawe ubakhuthaza ukuthi uma ulimele sebenza ngoba umqondo yasebenza, ube umuntu wenza izinto ezinhle ebantwini. Ngoku uba i-cripple does it mean awusomuntu, umuntu ophilayo njengabamke abantu. Akekho umuntu ongekho disabled, but ukuhlukana umuntu namunye udisable ngayiphi indlela. Namhlanje into angenzele yona ahambe i-100 and something lokhuzana Ks ngezandla, indawo ezenyuwane ezehlikayo. Athi nabo ubomi obhekile, funazi uba never give up ebomini, phokophela siyeza isikhathi. Endleleni ngihambe kahle most of the first day, but bekunzima. It was the hardest one because manje bekunentaba and all that, but luckily abantu ke bebenhlonipha. The traffic, it wasn't that bad, and abantu bakwazi bahlonipha into engiyenzayo. Day 2 I had one minor accident, ecishe ngashayisa imoto, but ke lapho ke ngikwazile uba ngidede in time. But ke apart from that, I had so much support after day 2 because abantu then they saw what's happening and they knew much about it. But abanye bebebuza bayibo, why is this guy on a wheelchair on the N2? So yeah, but from Shepstone to Scottsboro, that was the hardest one because manje I thought it was just going to be long, but manje I didn't anticipate ama steep hills engwa encountile, and it was just the worst danger of this whole initiative. So but I managed to finish it, and from Scottsboro to Durban it was a breeze. I bemnandi so much bengazi ngiyoqeda manje, and the plan is to do this annually, but not Bangize. I want to change it, probably go somewhere else.
and just do something nje for abantu aba-disabled, because ngempela I really have a heart for them ba nabo bayenze bangijoyine benza izinto bangaphili nje ngathi babe limited. So I'm trying to show them ba kuyaphileka kule simo lesi esikuso, and it's possible to do anything which when you put your mind to it.
Kodwa engakusho nje ngihluphekile ngoba omasipala bethu abayithathanga i-initiative lena ebafanele bengicabanga bazoyithatha ngayo, ngoba uma ingane yami bengekho safe endleleni ngoba bekufanele isuke Harding, angisho ngikhalazi kodwa ngokwami uma bekuyimina uqala ngoba ngangu-sportman ngakwazi mazokwenzeka into enjena ama-traffic bezona ezenza lokho. Ngabe usuke Harding wathi esisuka eHarding ebuhle bezwe emzobantu uma ezongena eLokhuzana eRenkonyeni amalokhuzana ama-traffic athathe mabezobengena eThekwini athathe awaseThekwini. Ngiye ngajabha kakhulu komasipala bethu into abayenzayo ngoba sesiphethwe yibona, kodwa funa sibatshele mabenza wrong ngoba yonke into noba ubani funa bayisupport ngoba wenzela bona.
And futhi ngingasho ukuba abantu disabled ngibacela ngempela bayeke kuba emotional about izinto ezincane. It doesn't matter ukuthi umuntu kubiza nge-cripple okanye kubiza ngegama ongalithandi. It's just up to you ukuba uthatha kanjani and your mind. Like we should really work on our minds, fix our minds. Abantu will always say izinto ezasihurta, but that's gonna be emotional. Let's educate them, because manje they don't know izinto which we go through or which affects us. So manje we need to educate abantu basemakhaya, we need to educate abantu abasiphethe uba we want to live, we want to be included in society, because manje society yethu is not built for abantu aba-disabled. So manje we need to teach them uba this is how you treat us, this is what you do uba sibe right thina. So ke ngiyangicela abantu aba-disabled uba ningabi emotional about izinto ezincane. Zinkulu into efanele sizenze, zinkulu. So ke ngalo mazwi lawo ke ngiyangicela uba akushintsheke madoda. And for the support I got, I was so overwhelmed. Bengazi ba abantu bangithanda kangaka. I just thought into encane lena and bengafuna ukwenza ibe into enkulu vele, but it became something which was beyond my imagination and kwaba isnowball nje. So ngibonga kakhulu abantu abasupportile, ngibonge oSpa waseHarding, ngibonge abantu nje Akhwele, ngibonge abanye Scott Brown, the Blue Marlin, ngibonge Ravenhill where we slept. It was just a lot. So yeah, no, and we managed to raise funds. So we're around about 37 chairs now, which we managed to get. So the initiative was very good because we're planning to get our chairs out of 50. So 37 I think is still a good number. So ngibonga kakhulu nje abantu abaxhasile na ningayeki nakwabanye, siyabonga.